Wireshark's capabilities to analyze and monitor network traffic make it an indispensable tool for security professionals, network administrators, and even curious individuals seeking to understand the continuous communication between devices and systems. The dependence on networks and the internet is ever increasing in today's interconnected world. This growth has led to a surge in potential attack vectors and security threats. Network pen testing examines a computer network for flaws and openings that an attacker could exploit. A simulated network attack is conducted to identify potential security vulnerabilities and assess their exploitability for unauthorized network or resource access. It is an essential tool for comprehending, protecting, and maintaining networks in the modern era. Furthermore, its widespread application in penetration testing emphasizes the importance of spotting weaknesses and potential dangers to protect network system stability and security. For example, Wireshark is one of the incident response tools that can identify potential security vulnerabilities such as unencrypted passwords and other sensitive data transmitted in clear text. What is Wireshark? Wireshark is a powerful, open-source network analysis tool that allows users to capture and inspect network traffic. It is a powerful tool enabling users to capture, analyze, and troubleshoot network traffic. Wireshark allows seeing what's happening on the network at a microscopic level by analyzing the data packets flowing through the network interface. It has a user-friendly GUI with filters, color coding, graphs, and other features for traffic analysis. Numerous protocols are supported, including IP, TCP, UDP, HTTP, SSL/TLS, FTP, DNS, DHCP and many more. As a result, it is possible to analyze the traffic of numerous network applications and obtain specific information about packets, such as header information, payload data, host conversations, top talkers, etc. Wireshark can capture data from network interfaces, including Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Users can view the captured data at various levels, from high-level protocol summaries to detailed packet-level analyses. Wireshark Network Filtering. Wireshark offers several filtering and search features that simplify locating and analyzing particular network events or problems. There are several types of filters. Capture filters. These filter incoming network traffic before it captures it. Capture filters are based on the CAP filter syntax and can be specified in the Capture Options dialog box or at the command line when starting a capture. Display filters. These are used to filter the captured network traffic that is displayed in main window. Display filters are based on Wireshark's display filter syntax and can be entered in the filter bar at the top of the main window. Protocol filters. These filter network traffic based on the protocol being used. Protocol filters are available in the Analyze menu and can display only traffic that uses a specific protocol. Conversation filters. These filter network traffic based on the conversation between two hosts. Conversation filters are available in the Statistics menu and display only traffic between hosts.
For more informative videos, do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel A to DGC Production and hit that bell icon for latest updates.